How to avoid early or late return fees with Thrifty. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the article from Thrifty as it's written. To avoid early or late return fee, what you can do is returns less than 29 minutes late will not be charged extra hours. So make sure you're only late for 29 minutes. And returns 30 minutes late or later will be charged extra. So make sure you're not 30 minutes late. And a late return of 1 hour, 30 minutes or more will usually result in charge of another day. And also please note, if you're returning to a closed location, all charges will continue to accrue until the location reopens for business. So make sure you're on time. And you can only be 29 minutes late. And this is how to avoid early or late return fees with Thrifty. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.